In this video, I'm gonna open a brand new box of Hot Wheels. I have absolutely no idea what cars might be inside. So without any further ado, let's check it out. Wow, lot of Hot Wheels. So our first car is, wow, Ford Mustang Mach E1400. It's a totally customized car, blue color with lot of customization. Bottom is the black. Here is lot of information on it, and it has a medium size spoiler on the back. So this is a original Hot Wheel. Before buying any Hot Wheel, make sure that your Hot Wheel is made by Malaysia. So here we have the made in Malaysia. Be sure to check it out before buying. So let's check what's the next. This is Mod Speeder, another super customized car. It has a strip, golden color strip on the top, and here we can see the engine. Bottom is totally black. Fantastic car. I like it. This is First Phelion. It's a racing car. Look at the beauty. Golden color wheels. What a nice purple color and fully customized. It's a two-door, two-seater car. So guys, never forget to say in the comment which are your favorite cars. So next is, wow, look at this. It's a hyper car. Totally white color, white and black combination. I like the color. This is Automobile Pininfarina Batista. Wow, look at the car, man. How beautiful it is. This is a two-door, two-seater hypercar. And yes, in every bottom of the car, we will get the made in Malaysia text in here. So I like this one also. Wow, Dodge Viper RT10. What a color and customization. It has two strips on the top. I like every open roof vehicles. It's a two-door, two-seater fantastic racing car. So let's check the next. Wow, it's a motorcycle, Honda Super Cup Custom. Really nice Hot Wheel. I like this one a lot. Motorcycles in Hot Wheel is very rare to have. So to add this in your collection, contact Khelaghor right now. This is 32 Ford. It's a old muscle car from Ford. It's a two-door, two-seater car. White and red color combination looks really amazing. Wow, how big is this Hot Wheel? It's a truck from Mercedes, which is Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. Look at here, it has two extra wheels and how muscular it looks. Nissan Z Proto, a two-door, two-seater fully yellow color racing car with golden color wheels. From the front, it looks awesome, and backside also amazing for these beautiful tail lights. 84 Mustang SUV, another muscle car from Ford. It's a two-door, two-seater racing car with really nice customization. HW4 track, a complete racing car. Look at this, how cool it is, fully customized, and we can see a Hot Wheel flag on the top. Wow, it has a big spoiler in the back. Really nice car. Oh my god, Chevrolet Grand Sport Roadster, a two-door, two-seater open roof old model fantastic racing car. Look at the customization. Wow, how cool. Nissan Maxima drift car. It's a drifting car with really nice customization. Blue color and wheels are white, which is really cool. Here we have a sunroof. Custom 11 Camaro, another fantastic car from Chevrolet. It's a two-door, two-seater heavy muscle car. Wow, just look at the front and top. Really nice customization, and it has a nice spoiler in the back. 87 Ford Sierra Crossworth. It's a two-door, four-seater fantastic racing car with really nice customization. Look at the wheels, totally golden color rings, and it has a medium size spoiler on the back. Coupe Clip. It's a keyring Hot Wheel. What a wonderful glossy red wine color. Looks so premium. Look at here, we can use it as a keychain. I have this Hot Wheel in my personal collection. So guys, if you are interested to see my personal collection, say that in the comment box. Alpha Pursuit, a futuristic two-door, two-seater police car. Looks so amazing. It's called Donut Drifter. I got two color of it. Another one is this one. One is pink and other one is blue. Comment us which one you like more. Wow, nice. It has a big spoiler. 73 Honda Civic Custom. Wow, look at this. It reminds me the Mr. Bean's car. He was having this kind of similar looking car. Two-door, four-seater green car with black hood. Nice. Lucidia. It's a 100% electric car. It's a four-door, four-seater car with a huge sunroof. Just look at this beauty. How classy cool it is. Another big size Hot Wheel. It's called Street Cleaver. Red and yellow color combination. Looks nice, and what a look. I really like this one, and it has a big size spoiler. Wow, Batman's Hot Wheel. It's called Classic TV series Batmobile. Wow, how cute. I like the color also. Gotta go. Wow, it's a toilet car. Call 991 and say I need an emergency toilet. They will send this car to you. Here we can see, we can move the top part of it. This one is the movable part. Diaper dragger. It's a racing car for babies. Yellow and golden color combination. A unique choice. Bottom is also golden. And we can see the made in Malaysia so clearly on it. Semi-rolling. It's actually a rolling dice car. We can use this Hot Wheel as a dice in our board games such as Ludo, Snake Leaders and any other board game which one need a dice. Car looks so nice. And here we can see the 3. Look it here. It clearly says we can use it as a dice. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all dots on it. So here is the main dice. It roll over and shows the number from the top. Track manga. A 2-door 2-seater open roof highly modified Hot Wheel. Rocket box. Wow, so nice. A cute little Hot Wheel. Desert drifter. Just look at it. It's a complete jelly. And it has a spoiler which is cream. So amazing. Armadillo. A big size fantastic Hot Wheel from Disney Pixar Lightyear. It's a futuristic bus with a rocket on the top. 83 Chevy Silverado. A nice truck from Chevrolet. Wow, a plain Hot Wheel. This type of Hot Wheels are so rare. This is water bomber. Wow, how beautiful it is. I like it too much. How much you guys like this one? Tell me in the comment. And if you want to have this one in your collection, so why are you wasting your time? Glory Chaser. A 2-door 2-seater open roof racing car with so nice customization. Aston Martin V12 Speedstar. It's a 2-door 2-seater open roof hypercar. So futuristic design. Looks awesome. El Segundo Coupe. A 2-door 2-seater fantastic racing car. And look at the color combination, black and golden color, looks awesome. It look like quite Porsche, but it's not Porsche. I guess Segundo Coupe is from Ford. So what do you think? Let me know, comment down. Another fantastic racing car from Jaguar. Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy, a fantastic 2-door 2-seater racing car. It has a medium size spoiler and lot of customization. And here we can see the Jaguar logo at the top. Limited grip. Just look at this beauty. How cool is this? Just look at the bumper. It can destroy every vehicle in the track. And I love this red and black color combination. In one word, awesome. Volvo P1800 Gasser. It's a Hot Wheel Legends tour car. A fantastic old model 2-seater 2-door racing car with a huge engine. Surf and Turf. A cute car with huge engine. And we can see a surfing board in here. How nice. Fiat 500e. Another nice and cute Hot Wheel. It's a 2-door 2-seater vehicle with a nice unique color. Solar Reflex. It's actually a special edition of Hot Wheel. Here you can see 2003 Earth Hot Wheel. So this is the solar panel. Looks so futuristic. It's a 2-door 2-seater futuristic racing car. 84 Pontiac Firebird. A fantastic 2-door 2-seater car with the 2 sunroofs. So unique. I have never seen before this type of sunroof. This is Aisle Driver. It looked like a grocery trolley. Here we can see figure can be flipped like that. And we can separate this figure from this trolley also. Really a nice and unique Hot Wheel. I got another semi-rolling. Here is the same dice like that. We have seen this car before. Which one was green color. Red color is also nice. Fast Gasin. Another big Hot Wheel car. And you can see it has a huge chrome colored tank. The color feels so premium. And truck is also looks great. This is called Zombot. A robot Hot Wheel. As you can see, the robot is lying on the car. But it can stand up straight also. This is a very nice one. 62 Chevrolet Gasser. It's a fantastic 2-door 2-seater old model racing car with lot of customization. Group C Fantasy. It's a hypercar. Wow, how cool it look like. Really nice color combination, yellow and black. I like it so much. 17 Audi RS6 Event. A fantastic 4-door 4-seater car from Audi with a really nice green color. And here we can see the Audi logo in here. And it has a sunroof also. 72 Stingray Chevrolet. A fantastic old model 2-seater 2-door open roof racing car with nice complete grey color. Wow, another super unique Hot Wheel. It's called Skate Groom. I have never seen this type of Hot Wheel before. So if you want to add this Hot Wheel in your collection, don't waste your time and contact with Khelaghor right now. Wow, what is this? It calls head gasket. Just look at this, how nice it is. It's another unique Hot Wheel. So guys, this is the Beatles Yellow Submarine. If you are a big fan of Beatles Yellow Submarine, you can add this one in your collection. I guess this is the only one submarine in Hot Wheel lineup. And look at this, how cute and how nice it look like. This is Twin Induction. Just look at this. It looks so futuristic. It's a 2-door 2-seater fantastic futuristic racing car. This is 1956 Corvette. Featured by the new Barbie movie. So this is the car for Barbie lovers. It's a 2-door 4-seater open roof car and looks so nice. This is called Matt and David Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. A fantastic racing car with a really nice color combination, black and golden color. It looks so amazing. Highway Hauler 2. It's another huge size Hot Wheel. It's a truck and here we can see a huge size of Hot Wheel flag on it. It looks so nice. Hot Wheel Ford Transit Connect. It's a really nice van from Ford. And look at the modification, look at the painting. Here we can see a tiger, D, and there is another D on the top. Looks different. 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. A fantastic old model racing car from Chevrolet with a really nice customization and huge engine. Volkswagen Bus. It's a 4-door 8-seater, a huge car from Volkswagen. Looks really nice. 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. Wow, look at the car, how cool it is. What a customization. Red and black color combination. It gives a angry vibe. Batman Forever Batmobile. This Batmobile is from Batman Forever. Just look at this Batmobile. How dangerous it look like. So guys, this is the final car of this video, which is 84 Audi Sport Quattro. This is a 2-door 2-seater sport car from Audi. Just look at the customization, how cool it look like. So guys, this is it for this video. Which car you like the most? Tell me in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, never forget to hit the like button, and if you are new in this channel, stay with us by subscribing this channel. For order this type of Hot Wheels, contact with Khelaghor right now. You will have the contact information in the description below.